All right, folks, time to roll. It's Wednesday morning. We're already halfway through this week, and yesterday was a big start to a holiday-shortened week of trading with markets down in a massive way. We had the Dow Jones down over 500 points. We had the S&P off by about 1.5%, and NASDAQ down nearly 2.5%. Those tech stocks just getting hammered as we saw a couple things happen, right? So this was on the back of a poor earnings report coming out of Goldman Sachs. That stock down 7%, really weighing on the indices, as well as we're seeing those interest rates in both the 2-year and the 10-year with the thought that the Fed's going to hike rates as soon as this March, continue to creep higher. That 10-year just shy of 1.9%. So some big moves in interest rates putting a lot of pressure on these markets. Now today, heading into the open this morning, we're seeing markets in the green, bit of a bounce back, albeit not a lot. So it seems like these markets right now are holding on for dear life. So not a lot going on this morning. Over at the dollar, we've seen some dollar strength, seeing a bit of the pullback in the dollar at this current moment. And then oil, again, oil now up above $86 a barrel in WTI, just continues to drive higher. And that's really where the big mover's been over the past couple weeks. If you're looking for price action, you definitely are seeing it over in the oil market. All right, folks, again, very light week as far as economic data. However, very heavy week as far as earnings are concerned. We got a slew of earnings due out again today. Let's get in there, trade some price action. I'll see you folks again tomorrow.